Hi everyone, it's week 7 in our Quilt-A-Block series. This is our 4x4 hoop size design. You can head over to my website and download this week's free design. I'll link my website down in the description below the tutorial. And I'll also link another tutorial you can watch just in case you need a little refresher course on how to place this block together. Oh my goodness, can you believe we're already on design week number 7? I can't wait to be able to create a tutorial for you showing you exactly how I'm going to place my blocks together. And I look forward to seeing yours also, so be sure to join our Facebook group, which is noted at the end of the tutorial, so you can post your pictures of your blocks when you have those created. I really do look forward to seeing your designs also. Thank you. Enjoy.